What up, YouTube? It's your boy Spyder Buff 1330 back with another video. So you already know, what it's about. Another Sling Mods product. You know what I'm saying? And is my mic on? My mic is on? Yeah, it sounds like it. Looks like it. I think it's on. I don't see the meter. I usually see the meter. Let me see. Let me make sure y'all get my hello testing. 1, 2. It's showing it's on, so I'm hoping it's on here. Usually I see the meter. But back to Sling Mods. Auxiliary light right here for the front. Let me go over so y'all can see. You can see it, right? The Canon Spyder RT Limited. We're gonna install this bad boy. And nothing but lighting. Lighting is important. And if I'm gonna get do anything, and I'm gonna do my lights. Another thing, anybody interested has a Riker. I have some things for my Riker I never used. I did a video on it though. The ultimate seat for the Can-Am Riker with the driver and passenger backrest. I put it on the bike. I did a video on it. I think I used it. I had it on the bike for 1 week. That was it. And I ended up trading the bike in for the Spyder. So if anybody locally interested in getting the ultimate seat from me, it's brand new. I said I use it. I had it on the bike for a week, but I didn't ride it for a week. I had it on the bike. I think I rode it once, maybe twice with that seat. And I ended up trading the bike for the Spyder. Passenger and rider backrest included. I'm asking $800. All right, asking $800. Also, have a K&N air filter for the Can-Am Riker. Never used it. $50. Nah, let me stop. $25. Local only, please. And the video I did on Badass Moto Riker cover, 100% waterproof. Have that also. If you're interested, locally only. That's $80. I'm not asking for nothing extra. I'm not trying to make money off it. I just want what I paid. The only price I lowered was the ultimate seat. I know everybody ain't walking around with $1,200 in their pocket. You know, that's what I paid for it. So I went down to 8. I took 4 off. So if you're interested, inbox me, message me, and let me know. All right. So we're gonna get on with this installation though. This is an auxiliary light for the Can-Am Spyder RT Limited. All right. It comes with some hardware, 4 Phillips screws. Now this is plug and play. I think probably the easiest install ever. Supposedly, behind this panel is the plug. This plugs right into it. So we're gonna see right now. You get a T15 Torx and loosen these 2 screws. I'm trying to see if I can see it. I think I see it right here. I see a lot of people buying Spyders, y'all. Congratulations. And I hope I get to meet everyone that has Spyder. I would like to. I want to get around. That's my goal, to meet people everywhere and anywhere. Just travel and group. Just travel. That's what I want to do. That's my goal. Yes, it was the first time I think I actually got on the highway with this. Me and my son went riding. And what am I doing? I had a good time. Yeah. Why is this one such a problem? Always one that want to be a pain in the butt, right? Maybe because of the angle I'm sitting on too. Hold it in, okay. So we went riding yesterday. Yeah, my son has a 25 Ninja 500. Kawasaki Ninja 500. And it's his first bike. But he was talking a lot of crap about the Spyder. He's slow. We ride home. We went to my mother-in-law's, dropped my wife off, and me and him gonna go riding. Okay, there you go. There's a plug here. Y'all can see. Connected to this panel. There's a plug right here. So you just release that plug. I'm not gonna throw it away. I'll just hold on to it for now, because I never know if God forbid I ever need it. But you see the plug right here. You see the plug right here. See these clips? See the little nudge, little nipple right there, and a little plug right here, the little clip. Make sure that locks into it, like this here. Hear that clip, that snap? You want to make sure you hear that snap. Take your plastic off. I mean, this has been the easiest install I ever did. The 2 screws you took out of this panel, you're not going to need them in, they say, but I'm going to hold on to them because God forbid that light break or I ever need to put that panel back on until I replace it with another light. I still have the screws for it. I don't throw away screws, y'all, at all. Nuts and bolts and anything. Anytime I order something about something that comes with extra screws and stuff like that, I do not throw it away. I put it right in the bag. Parts. I have a storage, so I'll just put this in the storage facility where my stuff is at, because you never know. I don't throw away nothing that I take off the bike. Like, I still got stuff from the Riker. I gave some stuff away to a friend of mine because he giving me things, but I don't throw nothing away. Then I take your 4 Phillips screws. There's gonna be 4 holes here. If you line it up right there like that, get you to put the screw in and feel for it. All right, let me get a better Phillips head. One that fits more better in here. Let's see. All right, this one fits good. We'll use this one. Let's see if we can put one on the other side. So I'm assuming it's in there, didn't move, so hopefully it's in there. So I'm just putting all of them in first just to tap them in. Then I'll go back in with the ratchet. And now we can tighten them all up. Always take your time. Wow, what's the problem? Why are you not going in? Now it's the problem? Let's see, side. did? Don't fit back. Let's try this one. What's going on, man? That one. Apply a little pressure, I guess. Make sure the screwdriver's in there. Alright. You don't want to over tighten and crack it. You know, this is plastic. But it's just tighten it for what's going on here? Tighten the nut to it, just to snug it. Remember, this is plastic, so you don't want to over tighten and break the plastic. All right, like I said, though, easy one. The fastest install. T15. Fastest install ever. All right, now let's turn the joint on. Phillips in now. Yeah, Phillips in. Always put my tools back first. I put the tools back first. Extension. Where's the extension? Huh? That's right here. Alright. Let's see what we got. If I can get up. Too old for this shop. Alright, let's turn this on. Let's see what we got. Start this bike up. I don't know if it comes on when you put the key on or what. Probably do, right? No. There you go. Nice. Nice and bright. You can see that in the daytime. That is bright. Looks good, y'all. So there you have it, y'all. Auxiliary light, Can-Am Spyder, 2020 and up. Auxiliary light, easy plug and play. It's your boy Spyder Buff 1330. See you on the next video. Ride safe. Peace. I'm out.